Welcome to Easy Kitchen. Today we're going to make cheese omelette. Without wasting time, let's start. For that, we need 3 eggs, then 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon pepper. Then whisk. If you want, you can use electric whisker also. Now add the veggies that you like. I have added here some carrots, onions, tomatoes and coriander. If you want, you can also add capsicum. Then again mix. After mixing, I have added some peas. You can add before that also. Then in a hot pan, I have used 1 teaspoon oil and butter. After that, spread the batter into the pan. After cooking for 2 to 3 minutes, I have sprinkled some cheese. After that, I have cut horizontally one line and vertically one line to make it easy to flip. After flipping, I have cooked for 3 to 4 minutes. Then I have sprinkled some cheese and our cheese omelette is ready. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe.